Yeah, hi Mark. Hope all's well. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your Beosound ones. This is one of two. You know, they're all working as they should be now. Basically, I've given them a good clean as well, because they were really filthy with dust inside. I don't know how all that dust's got in there. I don't know whether you're in a in a workshop or something, but it is, yeah, they were really dusty. But anyway, yeah, just to show you it all working now, I'll just put the CD on for you. Turn that volume up. Yeah, but it's a really good bit of kit. I do like these Beosound ones. So they do sound like, let me just turn it down. They do sound like bows. And the bass and everything, it's just, you know, it's an amazing sound quality that you get from them. But yeah, that's all working there as it should be. Go up to another few tracks. This CD is scratched, but I use it for my testing. Yeah, lovely bit of kit. These ones are. So yeah, you see the CD coming out. Yeah, I've given all inside there a good clean as well, because that was all thick with dust there. So put a laser in there for you. So just click on the CD. The CD closes and spins up, and there you go. I just want to point out as well that you got no aerial there. The aerial's disappeared. I've got parts for these, so if you do change your mind and you want an aerial, I can, you know, as soon as we're doing a deal, I could probably fit an aerial on there for 30 quid. And the cover's obviously got a few dents in it, but don't affect the playing. So yeah, I hope this is okay for you, Mark, and thank you very much. And anything else you need, just give us a shout. You got a 6 months warranty on this one as well, for the laser only, and obviously the workmanship that I've done. That don't cover up, you know, anything else, main boards and stuff like that. But you know, it's a good system, so you know, it's very rare that they fail. But there you go. Thank you very much.